San Joaquin County Public Health Services was established on July 1st, 1989.
Welcome to Public Health Services. Can I help you?
Our mission is to protect, promote, and improve health and the conditions that impact well-being for all residents in San Joaquin County. We do this through various programs that keep our communities healthy, safe, and thriving. We would like to introduce you to our programs.
Our program provides surveillance and reporting of disease, consultations for healthcare providers, hospital infection control practitioners, and school nurses. We also lead patient, community, and school education work related to these important public health areas.
The STD Control Program monitors sexually transmitted infections in the county and provides an assortment of educational resources to residents about prevention and treatments.
Our trained public health educators deliver effective information and encourage healthy behaviors with programs on tobacco prevention, child passenger safety and injury prevention, oral health, opioid safety, and nutrition and physical activity.
We work closely with our laboratory and other programs in providing surveillance and monitoring of health data throughout the county, and offer our data dashboards to the public on our website, which cover analytics on respiratory and communicable diseases and drug overdoses and fatalities.
We coordinate closely with community organizations and county and state emergency services agencies to better prepare for and respond to unexpected and severe events such as disease outbreaks and extreme heat.
Our program focuses on providing medical care, equipment, and rehabilitation to children and young adults under 21 years of age living with chronic health problems.
We provide physical therapies for young residents living with neurologic and musculoskeletal disorders. Our team helps establish functional goals that children can use for the rest of their lives. Therapy is provided at no cost to patients and families, regardless of income, regardless of IEP status.
The WIC program provides nutrition education, breastfeeding support, healthy foods, and referrals to healthcare and other community services. We serve pregnant and postpartum women, newborn infants, and children under the age of 5, leading to healthier families in our county.
MCAH works closely with new parents and infants, providing education, resources, and assistance to help new families thrive in San Joaquin County.
Our laboratory provides thousands of tests every year on bacteria, parasites, fungi, viruses, rabies, and many other pathogens. The Public Health Laboratory plays a vital role during case, outbreak investigations, emerging and re-emerging infectious diseases, and work very closely with the Communicable Disease Program, healthcare providers, environmental health professionals throughout the year to diagnose and control infectious diseases. We offer our analytical expertise to not just San Joaquin County, but numerous neighboring counties in the region.